Mr. TTK Jagannathan, Chairman of TTK Prestige, now joins us live from Bangalore. Mr. Jagannathan, if I look at the 1 month or the 1 year price change of TTK Prestige, the stock has been a marked outperformer. But if I look at the off-late price movement, the stock's been very volatile. What explains the recent volatility in the stock?
I'm afraid I know nothing about the stock market and cannot help you there.
Are you aware of any large institutional investors who've exited your company or your stock?
No, I'm not aware of any of that.
Mr. Jagannathan, what about the business per se? Any plans of launching new products given the emerging competition? Because there are your peers like a Havells, which is now getting into the kitchen space, multinationals such as Philips as well are getting extremely aggressive in the regional market.
There are lots of plans of launching new products. We launch normally 100 new products every year. We will do that this year also. We are prepared for the competition.
If I look at your guidance for FY13, you are committed that you will grow irrespective of the environment at about 25% plus. What gives you the confidence that in an environment where things are challenging, when a large base effect has kicked in for you, you will maintain a growth rate of 25% plus?
We see that in the marketplace. Our strength, our brand is very strong, and if you go around the marketplace, you will see that we are really taking market share from others, and we are very confident that we'll grow 25%.
How much of your existing growth is coming from your existing businesses, and how much of your proposed FY13 growth will come from new projects or new initiatives?
We are expecting about 1550 crores for FY13, of which only 50 crores will be new initiatives. 1500 crores will be from existing businesses.
Mr. Jagannathan, you had recently indicated that a lot of foreign players are interested in the Indian kitchen appliances market and that you are in talks with 20 such players. Any development, any finalization, if you could give us some details?
I don't remember mentioning number 20, but we are in talks with a few people, and I'm afraid there is no news at all.
You currently have about 40% market share of the organized pressure cooker market. Do you think your market share in coming quarters will increase?
That will be the effort to increase it, but it won't increase dramatically. At 40% it's not possible to increase dramatically, but by 1 or 2% this year we expect increase, yes.
So, what is TTK Prestige's biggest competition? Unorganized players or other organized players?
In pressure cookers, actually, the unorganized players have slowly vanished, so it's other organized players. In pressure cookers, in appliances, it's all organized players. Very few unorganized players.
Mr. Jagannathan, what is the update on the retail space via the Prestige Smart Stores? If you could give us an indication in terms of how many stores you're looking to launch by FY13, what's the target that you've set for yourself?
We closed at 349 stores for FY12, and FY13 the target is 500 stores.
How big
but 20% of our sales comes from.
How big is the kitchen market opportunity for you? When I say kitchen market, the kitchen appliance market minus the pressure cooker market.
Well, that's the bigger market, isn't it? The pressure cooker market is about 1,500 crores. The appliance market is about 10,000 crores.
And how are you planning to grow in that market?
Well, we are planning aggressive launches, new products, and so on. That is the market we are really concentrating on. We have grown 60% year on year for the last 5 years.
Do you think you run the risk of diversification? As of now, you are a focused company. Since you're a focused company, your return on equity, your return on capital, that is excellent. But the minute you diversify, your return on equity and your return on capital will also shrink and contract.
We have been in the appliance business for 10 years now. So it's not a new diversification. So what you have seen in terms of return on equity and return on capital is after we diversified into appliances.
And final question, commodity prices, the way they have moved, how will that change life for TTK?
Commodity prices luckily have moved south fairly dramatically, but that has been compensated by the rupee depreciating. So far it's been neutral.